Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. During Buhari's tenure, you all know that Mandami is the Attorney General of the Federation, right? Now, I want you to watch this video. This is what Mandami regretted, okay? During the live section that I had some time ago, this news leaked. Take a listen first.
You know Malami? Malami?
Yeah. Yes.
The Malami that has gone. The, what do you call him, the justice man.
Yeah.
The Attorney General. The Attorney General.
I heard him one day. He said, in Hausa language, he was telling, he said, Zamu berci anan abashi kuba. Kadan zai mutu. He said they will leave him there, they will poison him, and gradually he will die.
So,
but you know,
he was saying this in Hausa language.
Yes, in Hausa language.
Yes,
it looks like somebody has advised them, do not try it. If you try it, the war will never end.
He said, Ndemun Seni, Kamamun Seni.
He said, if we had known.
Kamamun Seni. If we had known,
yes,
we could have done this thing instead of bringing him to Nigeria. And I told you that they could have done it, but God took away. Nnamdi Kanu is not just an ordinary person. It's a man that have found favor in the eyes of God.
Now, Mandami and Buhari said it was a mistake to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, and bringing him to Nigeria is another mistake. Okay, they said they regretted for not killing Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. You see, sometimes when God is fighting for you, you find it difficult to understand that it was God. Okay? Many people were angry when Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped and brought to Nigeria, but God knows the reason why. Now, if Buhari and Mandami regretted bringing Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, the question to you now is, what are they actually regretting? Okay, you have someone who you think is your enemy in your custody, then why are you regretting? Number one, they know that Nnamdi Kanu, they can't touch his life, because it's going to, that will end everything you know about Nigeria. They know that they can't touch his life. Then the second thing that made them to regret is what you saw today in court. Yeah, I mean it. What you saw today in court is the reason why Mandami and Buhari regretted why they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu. Now, do you imagine that Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in 2015 and a statement was taken without a lawyer? And they used that statement to go and charge him to court. Oh, Nigeria, wait to. I'm talking about a federal government. See, Mandami, I really want to know whether Mandami went to Nigerian law school, because the other man, is it the Arimotu? They said he studied Sharia law. I really want to know, because in Sharia, they always talk about blasphemy. And that is what the DSS brought to court today. Maybe the mass witness, the DSS witness, thought he's smarter by saying that Nnamdi Kanu called Nigeria a zoo. Nnamdi Kanu did not say youth are not getting employment. Nnamdi Kanu did not complain about hunger. He said Nigeria is a zoo. And Agabi fired him. Since the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, have you heard about terrorists attacking school? He said yes. Terrorists attacking church? He said yes. Have you heard about the killing all over the Nigeria? He said yes. People who are killing, are they part of Nnamdi Kanu's agitation? He said no. He nailed himself. Now, they started asking him, like, you arrested Nnamdi Kanu. Do you find anything incriminating or anything violence or anything involving terrorism? He said, no. Wait, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a judge. So what I'm saying is just from my common sense. So how dare you charge someone with terrorism when you did not see any evidence relating to terror? Do you now see why a big court discharged Nnamdi Kanu acquitted? All these delay tactics you are seeing, oh my God, it was just to delay this man to break his spirit. Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any crime. They lied to you about Nnamdi Kanu. They lied to you. And when we come out to tell you about the reality, this is what it is. People thought maybe we are bribed. Someone is giving us money to protect the image of Nnamdi Kanu. Is there anything about crime or terrorism that is unfolding now? No. Nnamdi Kanu have also said time without number that he's not afraid of trial. You must have heard him saying that in the court. I am not afraid of trial. I will win you in your court. He used to say this plain. I hope you have watched him saying that. And today proves that he's not afraid of trial, but it was the federal government who are frustrating him. When Omoyele Sowore made the claim that the DSS are making 500 million every court day they present Nnamdi Kanu, we thought it was a joke. But we are seeing that this is real. This is real. Now, my love for Nnamdi Kanu started a long time ago when he started talking about what we are seeing today. The passion Nnamdi Kanu have is because of the love for his people. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. It is because of the love for his people. Nobody will see his mother going to the farm, being raped, being killed. It is only people who are badly educated, who are cowards, who don't have conscience. Like what is going on today, people are dying, politicians are talking about 2027. Our villagers cannot access their farms, and people think it's normal because you are not normal. You are not normal. If you are normal, your people can't be dying, you are talking rubbish. I'm talking about death. Death is one-time event that will take you forever. People are dying anyhow, you are there talking about 2027? Abba. So, these are the reasons why I fell in love with Nnamdi Kanu right from time. His ideology, I've never seen Nnamdi carry weapon or talk about weapon, talk about every... Nnamdi Kanu uses his radio Biafra. He said, I will destroy Nigeria with truth. You understand? And he has been vindicated because when the DSS witness who arrested him came to court, Agabi pulled up his brain. He said when we arrested him, wristwatch, his phone, broadcasting equipment. What has microphone has to do with terrorism? The question Ozekome took to appeal court that made appeal court to discharge all this case. Ozekome asked them, where did he broadcast at all? If you say what he broadcast, is offensive, if at all. Okay, where did he broadcast the thing? He said London. So what has London event has to do with the jurisdiction of Nigerian court? So I really love what transpired in court today, and it is so unfortunate that Nnamdi Kanu have to suffer all this long for nothing. He did not commit any crime that warranted all this prolongment of event. And I still want to return the kudos to Nnamdi Kanu because this life is good for you to be stubborn and courageous. Do you see how Binta Nyako wanted to just pass judgment, fast forward everything, disobeying the Supreme Court law? You understand, Nnamdi Kanu was so angry and said, I don't have confidence in you, before she now gave up and recused herself from the proceedings. And James Omotosho, who understood the nature of the event, both the tribal implication, both the sincerity, the nature of the truth about this matter. And I'm putting it to you watching me. Meetiala leader, who have agreed that he sent all the Fulani herdsmen, he gave them AK-47 to defend themselves, that they killed people they have issue with. The man was arrested, he was charged to treason, but court came. The people who owns Nigeria called Asorok, and they released him. No noise, they released him. And here is DSS saying that they did not find anything incriminating against Nnamdi Kanu. This issue is not going to end at Kanu's release. Why I'm saying this, it is a level of hate against the Igbos. I am saying it blunt. It is a level of hate against the Igbos that led to all these things. Nothing more, nothing less. It is the hate against the Igbos. Because if not, look at now. Is it not obvious? It is the hate against the Igbos. Haba. You arrested someone without a formal, what is it called? Interview. Because there is no lawyer. In other words, every interview they conducted with Nnamdi Kanu without his lawyer is null and void. Interesting time is ahead. Then, if they asked the DSS now, why do you charge Nnamdi Kanu with terrorism? What are they going to say? For some time, this is laughable, but it is so annoying. The hatred Buhari had against Nnamdi Kanu, Mandami had against Nnamdi Kanu, that is what is leading them to where they are today. It is because of hatred. Nnamdi Kanu was arrested because of hatred. Hate. Iwe. Hatred and animosity. This man is an Igbo man. He's agitating for Biafra. He's a small boy. Let's get him down. They never knew that the man is in the high spirits. You can't kill a dead man twice. According to Nnamdi Kanu, we're already dead. Anybody wishing us to die is making a mistake because you can't kill a dead man. Who is afraid? Who is afraid? Who is afraid? Nobody. Nobody is afraid of all these people. Nobody is afraid of the federal government. They can't do more than what they have done. Do you know how many people that have, passed away because of all this issue of agitation? IPOB was named one of the most peaceful what is it called? How would I put it now? Let me say one of the most peaceful separatist agitation in the world, because it was noted that these people can only protest just with whistle. When they're going, they'll be singing, blowing whistle. They never carry arm. It's not an arm carrying this thing. Never. When the military invaded Nnamdi Kanu house, did they see any gun? They didn't see any gun. Anyway, that is what I have to say. You see, what made me to make this video again is just that I remember that Buhari and Malami regretted why they brought Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. And this is the reason why they regretted, okay? This is the reason why they regretted. But they will regret more because Nnamdi Kanu will be released this month. Yeah, Nnamdi Kanu will be released this month. And if Kanu is released today, as I used to tell people, insecurity in the Old Eastern region will come to an end. The Old Eastern will tell you, we don't come out to say it because we want to say something. Insecurity in the Old Eastern region will come to an end. You will see it. Yes, you will see it. So when we come out here to tell you, we are not saying it because of bias or because of any, we are just, talking reality out of issue. And that is why you find it difficult to bring out any of my videos. I've made about 3,300 videos in this platform. I mean 3,300 videos. Bring out one and tell me where I made a mistake about what I tell you. Anything I tell you that is going to happen is going to happen. Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any crime. He will be released, and insecurity in the southeast as well as Old Eastern region will come to an end. Mark this statement and save this video.